on the 15th of January, India pauses for a moment. Not for a festival, not for fireworks, but for something far more powerful. Indian Army Day. But why this day? Why the 15th of January? Let me take you back, not very far, but to a turning point in our history. It was the year 1949. India was free, but something very important was still changing. The Indian Army was commanded by British officers. Our soldiers were Indian. Their courage was Indian, but the command was not. And then came a historic moment. On 15 January 1949, Lieutenant General K.M. Cariappa took charge as the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army, replacing the last British commander. That single moment meant something huge. For the first time, the Indian Army was truly led by an Indian. That is why this day is remembered. That is why this day is celebrated. Indian Army Day is not about weapons. It is about responsibility. It is about trust. It is about a nation finally standing on its own feet. From that day onwards, the Indian Army became more than a force. It became a promise. A promise that while we sleep, someone stays awake. While we celebrate, someone stands guard. While we live normal lives, someone lives a life full of discipline, sacrifice and courage. The Indian Army does not fight only wars. It protects borders in freezing cold. It walks through burning deserts. It rescues people during floods and earthquakes. It helps when roads disappear, homes collapse, and hope feels lost. On Indian Army Day, celebrations are not loud. There is a grand parade. There are military displays showing strength and precision. There are medals awarded to soldiers for bravery. Some of them are honored even when they are no longer alive to receive them. And that silence, that respect, that discipline, that is the true celebration. Because the army doesn't ask for applause, it asks for duty. When we see a soldier, we often see the uniform first. But behind that uniform is a person, someone's son, someone's daughter, someone's parent, someone who chose the nation over comfort. Indian Army Day reminds us that freedom is not automatic. It is protected every single day, not by words, but by courage. So today when you hear Indian Army Day, don't think of it as just a day. Think of it as a quiet salute to the soldiers who stood firm in history and to those who stand firm even now. Because some heroes don't need stories. Their life itself is the story. And we live safely because they stand ready. I hope you liked this video. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay curious and keep reading. Signing off, Page Pulse. Bye. See you next time.